Are you making a smoothie for one? The Blendtec Go Jar might be just the thing for you. Hi, I'm Amy with Bescovery, and today we're back in my kitchen again talking about blending the smoothie for one. And I know a lot of times you want to make a meal that will work for you. We're going to look at the Blendtec Go Jars, see how they work so you can make a meal on the go that's healthy and works just for you. The Blendtec Go Jar comes with everything you see here. You've got your jar, you've got your mount that you can hook up directly to the Blendtec to get it right there to hook it up, and it has a travel lid that you can open, take your drink and have your meal on the road. One thing that's really surprised me as I've been doing all of this blender testing, trying different products, this one we have used the most. My daughter has used this small one to make her smoothie in the morning, and my husband has used it before he's filled up his cup and then out on the go. And I was really surprised how this smaller container has made a big difference. So I'm gonna make my regular morning smoothie and show you what works for me. Okay, I have all my ingredients in my morning smoothie: a little spinach, orange, my protein powder, frozen pineapple, and some water. That's all I've got in there. Oh, I did add a little bit of agave for sweetness, but that's just a personal preference. Okay, so now it's on the base, and like before, we've got all the different settings. We're going to set it and push the smoothie button, and here we go. See how it turns off on its own? I love that part. It makes me so happy. All right, let's give it a test. Okay, my smoothie is blended. I'm pulling it off the base, giving it a quick flip, and opening it up. There we go. That first little bit. Now, my husband uses his and pours it into another cup. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. Here we go. Oh, it smells so yummy. It smells citrusy and fresh. Oh, that is so good. And it's a perfect way to start the morning. So you can make your smoothie, have it on the go, ready for you whenever you need it. Can I just say how much I love doing these videos? If you have an idea or an insight that you'd like to share or want us to test another product, please let us know.